Morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is your guy Eliud Mapesa. My channel name is E_Mapesa. Kindly, for those who are new on this channel, subscribe, share, comment, and also like the video. I am waking up very early in the morning. It is actually around 6:30 a.m. East Africa time, and it has been raining all night long, and as you can see, there is a lot of water that is filling this stream. Yesterday there was no water like this, but now it has really filled up this small stream, and we are going to check on our big river Sasala, and see how it is. This is now our river, which has really filled up. Yesterday there was no much water like this. Let's go and see our river. And here we have our cane, our corn. Our maize is doing very well. This time round I told my workman to do the planting and not be involved in it, so that he also has his own food to feed on, plus the family. Here, this is the water. The river is swollen, but it is flowing slowly, but as time comes by, this place, the water will now stand still. If that other river there, the water fills up, when this one is joining the other river, it struggles to join the river, and therefore this water will stand, and as it stands, it will now spill over both sides, at the side of where this cane is, and also this other side that I'm standing. The water will now spill over. So as we go, we are going to see. You see, as the water almost standing and coming to this side of the cane, sugar cane. We are now going to see our river, and kindly comment, share, and also subscribe to this video. For those who are new, welcome and welcome back to this video. Kindly feel free to comment, but give some sweet comments kindly. For those who are old and always coming back to watch my videos, welcome back very much. Feel free, feel appreciated, and may God really give you all that you need so that we continue subscribing. I'm almost hitting 500 subscribers, but I'm still very far a bit. But with your support, I know you will fill the vacuum. And now, this is the river. This is the river. I tell you guys, this river will cross where I am in a few minutes time. This river will cross for sure. For sure. This soil will collapse to this river. And you see, it is now passing through this cane. Slowly by slowly, this place will be filled up with water, And yesterday in the evening when I was taking a video, if you can go back to my video, you'll find that this river is very deep when the water is little. But now the water has actually filled up this place, and you cannot imagine what I'm seeing. I'll take you here maybe when the water subsides, and you'll see how deep this place is. So there are people who have been staying around this river. They can swim